Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create new bookmark folder in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Safari web browser. Then right here hit Add Bookmarks icon and select Bookmarks tab. On that tab you can check all your bookmarks, and now let me show you how you can easily group these bookmarks in folders. So just hit right here where it says Edit, then hit Add New Folder, then name this folder and select a location for that folder. I recommend you to save it in favorites, but you can tap at favorites and send it in bookmarks, for example, or you can save it within some other existing folder. After that, once you have selected the location, you can now just go to favorites, and as you can see, test folder is now located right here among all your bookmarks at the bookmarks tab. Then you can hit add done, and after that you can move some bookmarks in that folder. All you have to do is just hold down on a bookmark, and then you can hit add edit, and then you can select a new location for that bookmark. So now, as you can see, I have just moved one of the bookmarks in the folder that I have just created. In the same way, you can move any bookmarks in any folders, and also, if you want to save some web page as a bookmark, you can hit Add Share, then scroll down and hit Add Bookmark. And now you can select this folder as a location for that bookmark. You can tap at that folder and switch location, and then just hit Add Save. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.